To make neat decreases in 1x1 ribbing, first work to a purl stitch. Then insert the tip of the right needle from left to right into the first 2 stitches on the left needle, as if you're gonna knit them together. Then take the left needle out, leaving these stitches on the right needle. Bring the yarn to the front of the work and purl the next stitch. And then pass these 2 stitches over the purled one. So we go into the 2 stitches with the left needle from left to right and pass them over the purled stitch and off the needle. Then knit the next stitch and continue to work in the knit 1 purl 1 ribbing pattern. In the next row around, we're gonna work in the same 1x1 ribbing pattern, and we're gonna purl this stitch, the one that resulted from the decrease, if we're working in the round, and we're gonna knit the stitch if we're working back and forth, just as I do now. So when I turn my work, I would start working in the knit 1 purl 1 ribbing. This stitch is supposed to be a knit, so I'm gonna knit it, and then I purl the next stitch, and then I come to the stitch that resulted from the decrease. And even though I see the bump over here that tells me that I should purl this stitch, I'm gonna ignore it and knit this stitch instead to be consistent with the ribbing pattern. And then I continue to work in ribbing as usual, and as you work a few rows around, then you will see that your decreases are not a nuisance anymore. It's not something you would want to hide. Instead, they become a lovely design element that looks great on the right side of the work, and it looks equally great on the wrong side of the work. For more details about this method, go to 10rowsaday.com/decrease-1x1 rib. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.